Hello everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to edit your videos with the InShot app. Okay, so when you have created your video, be it a video you made with your camera or a video you made with the online explainer videos and all the rest, and maybe you want to edit it, okay, you want to make it look nice, add some text, cut off some wrong parts and put some right parts and all the rest. You need an video editing app for that. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to use the InShot app to do that. All right, before we begin, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I release wonderful videos like this, you would be the first to be notified. Okay, so let me give you 2 seconds to do that. Kindly hit the subscribe button. All right, now turn on your notification bell. Thank you very much if you've done that. Okay, let's go straight into the business of the day. Let me turn on my marker. Okay, so this is the InShot app. When you go to Play Store, you will see it, InShot. All right, I'll drop the link on the description below so for a faster download. Okay, so now when you open the app, now what we want to do is you can actually use the app to edit videos, you can use it to edit photos, you can also use it to create collage. All right, so we want to edit a video, right? So click on video. These are drafts of videos I've made so far, but since we want to create something new, click on new. Note, before you open this InShot app, you must have made your video already, right? Probably with your camera or whatever. All right, but now you want to edit it, so that is what we are doing. So click on new. We select the video we want to edit. Let me take this one. All right, let's play it first. So if you want to trim it, maybe you feel the beginning is a bit rough, you can trim it from here. All right, or you can trim it from the back. Anyway, so when you're done, you just, or if you don't want to trim it at all, you leave it completely and then you click on go. So it is selected, right? Then you click here to move on. And mind you, in case if maybe probably you want to add other videos, okay, you want to add other videos. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. Like now I'm creating this video now for my YouTube channel, isn't it? So what I want to do right now is I want to put my intro video, and I want to put my subscribe button video. So what I'll do is I'll click on this plus, and this is my subscribe button video. I'll click on it, and also this is my intro video. I'll click on it too and click on go. All right, so my intro video ought to be in the front, right? My intro video ought to be before the main video starts, isn't it? So what I would do is I'll just click on this anywhere around here. I'll just click anywhere. And here is my intro video, as you can see. So I'll put it on the front, I'll move it. Here is the subscribe button, I'll move it. So the main video is at the back. Once I'm done, I'll click anywhere around the surface. Okay, so let me play it so you see what I'm doing. This is my subscribe button video, and then this is the video itself. Okay, so let's stop it. But now we don't want a situation whereby we have the main video here and we also have this thing showing around here. So what do? This is what we're gonna do. We'll click on background. All right, so we'll change this background to let's say, let's click here to add a photo. like me, I love adding my logo photo. If you don't want a logo photo, probably you just want a black background, you can take a black background. You can just create a picture of a black background, alright? But I love adding my logo photo, which is this. So I'll select it, click here. So you see it's a bit blur, so I'll click here to make it clear. If you click here, it changes. It gets more blurry, you can see. So I'll click here to make it clear. Okay, if you want this effect to occur on only this intro video, you click here. But if you want this effect to occur on all the video completely, you click on this double mark and it says apply to all. Alright, so now if you notice, if we keep moving, you will find out that even on the intro my subscribe button video, you can see my logo is there. When the main video starts, you can see my logo is still there. Alright, that's just to keep the background cool. Alright, you can actually create a dark photo or a white photo and use it to make the whole place completely dark. And also, mind you, this InShot watermark that you can see here, you can actually remove it. When you click on it, it will tell you free remove. You either have to watch an ad for a few seconds. You can see here, this is the ad. So you have to wait for how many seconds it is.
Some people use any possible. A limb train. Time to break free.
Okay, I'm done watching the adverts. I will cancel it now, and you can see the InShot watermark is out. Okay, so now I've just showed you guys how to combine videos, how to add two or three or more different videos. Right now, let me show you guys how to add a text. So already this video has a text anyway, but I just want to show you how to add a text with the InShot app. So you click on text and then you type. Now let's say, since I'm doing it for my YouTube channel, I can say hi, make sure, or let me say hi, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, don't forget to, I'll just add an emoji. Okay, I'll show you guys what I'm about to do now. Okay, so after I've done that, you can actually change the color of this and the fonts. You just click on this place to change the color. All right, text color, let's make text color white. Border color, let's make it red. You can see it's changed. Okay, so you can change the font. This is the font. All right, you can so let me use this one instead. All right, you can change the, now here is the motion. This here is the motion. What motion do you want happening here? So let's say you can use let's use this one. You click on it, this is what it's gonna, you see what's happening here. So we can choose whatever motion you want. So let me use the heart motion. You know how the heart beats, up and down, up and down. All right, but it's too fast, right? So let's make it a bit slow. This is your timer, so you drag. If you want it very slow, you just drag to the end. You see how slow it is. Now this is what how many times you want it to, you want the motion to take place. Okay, so if you want the motion to take place just once, you can take it up like this. So the motion will have to wait for 3 seconds before it moves again. All right, so that's that. So now I want to make it look more enticing and nice. Okay, so this is what I'll do. Alright, to make it look more enticing and nice, I just turned off my data, okay, because the InShot app, it doesn't necessarily need data to work. It's free. Alright, so I want to make it look more nice. So what I'll do is I want to re-edit this text. So I'll click on edit. Okay, when I click on edit, I want to remove this emoji and then go back. Alright, so I'll put it here and then I will add another text. And on that text, I want to put just the emoji hand so that the emoji would have another separate motion. Okay, so this is the emoji, right? I'll click on edit click on motion. Now this is the motion I want to use. I want to use this motion, which is up and down, up and down. All right, I'll make it a bit slower. Okay, all right, then I'll click on go. So I want to tell people, don't forget to subscribe, isn't it? Now I'll go to stickers. When you go to stickers, either you add a photo from your gallery or you look for a sticker. All right, so I'm going straight to my gallery. All right, so I'll look for my subscribe. All right, as you can see, let me use this one. You can see this here. You click on go. Now I'll bring it down. I'll bring this down. You can actually make it big. You can, from here you can make it big or small, whatever size you want. Okay, so now see what happens if I play. Can you see? Don't forget to subscribe. All right, you can actually make it longer if you want. You just click on it, click and drag. All right, click and drag, click and drag. So when we play it, it's gonna be as long as that. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, so that is that. So what else should I also show you guys? Okay, let's now learn how to add sounds. Okay, now you can hear the sound, but I don't want the sound, right? So maybe if you don't want the sound, you want to add your own voice. Probably since the video has some write-ups and you want to explain the write-ups, probably you want to read out the write-ups. What you do is you go to music, you click on a record, and then okay, I just found out what was the problem. I was unable to use the recorder because the app I'm using to view this the app I'm using to teach you guys right now, okay, I'm using its recorder already, so I can't use recorder on two different apps. So that's why I'm unable to use the recorder on it. But I just gave you the clue on how to do it. Okay, if you want to add your own voice, you go to recorder. But now since we don't want to add our own voice, let's just put a song of our choice. Go to my music, you look for any song. I have mostly gospel songs, all right, but let me just look for any let me see. Okay, let me just look for a beat. I have a beat, I guess. Okay, let me see this one. When you click on it, it will play. Let me see this one. Let me see this one. Let me use this one. You click on use. All right, you click on use. So you can drag it this way so it would start. All right, it will start immediately after the subscribe video. Now, but if you notice, you will find out that the main video sound is still on, right, and your song is on, right? So you have to shut one of them up. So let's shut the video sound up. And how do we do that? You click on the video here, click on any part of the video. All right, so this is the video we want to shut up, isn't it? This is another video. All right, this is another video. So we want to shut up this one. So we click on it and click here to shut it up completely. Then you go back and play your video. Alright. Okay, so that is for that. Alright, so what else do I have to show you guys? Let me see. Okay, let's click on this Canva. Now this is how you want your video to display. Do you want it to display on a full screen like this, or do you want it on a fit like this so that you could add whatever background you want to put, or do you want it like this? All right, or do you want it like this? It depends on what kind of video you are doing. All right, just like like I'm doing this video recording right now. All right, as I'm doing this video recording, my screen is going to be full, like full. So if I'm trying to edit this video I'm making for you guys right now to teach you guys this stuff, I will have to use another pattern, which is going to be a straight pattern. All right, so it's because these videos are flat, that's why you can see these flat ones. But when I do a video that is as long as my screen, I will have to see an option for a longer screen. So you just choose which one suits you. All right, so let's see, we'll click on speed. Now, what kind of speed what amount of speed do you want your videos to move? Alright, let's click on speed again. Let's reduce the speed. And you'll see how slow it is now. Alright, so that's that for InShot app. You can use InShot app to do a lot of things. Okay, so if you have any question, don't hesitate to leave your question below the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next wonderful video I'll be posting soon. Do have a nice day. Thank you very much. I remain your skill coach, Team Legend. Have a nice day.